Today's video, we're gonna pretend to be a tuner. So, alright, right here we have my anti-lag table setup stuff. Anyways, so let's go from the top, right? Up here, you go to the basics, the outputs. You will see I turned off the turbo regulator. Check, so we're not gonna be running with the high boost we had before and all that good stuff. Now, as a result, granted, I go to the VE table, we're probably only going to be running up to this highlighted area most likely. Could be less, check, but most likely up to this highlighted area. So what I'm gonna do, or what I did was, for my launch control, I changed the KPA from 250 KPA down to the 105, and then I changed the degrees and the pack cut and restore numbers. And then for the anti-lag, changed the target lambda, KPA, throttle percentage, and ignition advance. So I'm going over for a drive and see how different that sounds and see how it feels. So yeah, that's what I'm doing today. I don't feel like going anywhere today. It's hot outside. We drove almost like whole day yesterday already. So I'm just gonna do those quick adjustments, go on the road, see how you feel, make like a video with that. And if I have to tweak anything on the road, I'm gonna do that too. Now, the reason why I'm turning it down is because the clutch does not hold the 30 pounds of boost that we're running. So every time I like try to power shift or go too hard, you just hear it slipping. So instead of just beating on the clutch like that, if you turn it down to like 15, although the car is gonna feel slow as hell, because honestly the car only wakes up at like 20, 25, 30. The cars actually wake up. Anything under that, nothing. So the car's gonna feel slower, but hopefully that can make the clutch last a little longer until we actually get a good clutch again and start back, doing that stuff. So in the meantime, let me go and warm this car up, and we're gonna make a little video. Ow. So based on the way that car started, I just think I have a cracked cylinder head, I've been thinking that I had a cracked cylinder head for a long time now, and I'm not gonna do anything about it right now. I'm gonna be honest, so bear with me. Let's check. See, y'all like my camera mount, my titty mount? Yeah. Alright. Your wallet, your ID. Ah. Ugh. No. Alright, so what we gotta do right now essentially is plug in to our ECU with this. Alright, let me put this back over here. See, you started reading? Now, this is the map right here is what we have on right now, is this one, okay? So, what we want to do is go to the one we just created. This is so awkward. Anyways, go to the one we just created in the file, open. This one right here, test 1, July 19th, hit open. And then you hit right. Car will cut off on each side of right. Check. Lay right all the way. Okay. Read real quick. Switch off ignition. Turn the ignition back on. Right. Okay. So, what I have here, ECU turbo turned off, ECU 104. So I know exactly, okay, this is the one I need to click to get my stuff back up when I need to do that stuff. So if you go to the VE table, we're operating down here. Come down here to see how good we're looking in the injection. Sorry, now. Oh no. Yeah, this one. Reset this. Get an idea what we're working with. Now, if you come in sensors right here, we can see. My bad. Sorry. Sensors overview right here. We're not all the way there yet. It comes up warming up, but we're almost there. Put it back to 0.5. Should be fine. Anyways, alright, I'm gonna leave this right here. I'm gonna go put this mic back outside, and then we go for a drive. Now we can get some exhaust notes. Check. camera just died. Take two. I think it's pretty good if you ask me. I don't know. That engine, whew. Need that engine just not, boy. For real, for real. Yeah, cause this is my car for work tomorrow. So take the back girl outside and then put the Audi inside. Yeah, we need that engine for the Audi right now. Definitely. Put you right here. That will be easy for me to go in. You hear that? Hear that? Yeah, I think that might just be the exhaust leak though. Well, folk, that's all. It was a good drive. I don't know. I feel good. I like how you feel. I think I definitely need to sort my engine out. I think it's at that time. But I think what we'll try to do is run a thicker oil, because right now I am running a very thin oil. So I'm going to put a thicker oil, see if that does anything. If that does not do anything, then I'm going to start saving money towards the actual engine. And then once I put that engine in, we're going for 11-second passes. So, yeah, hope you enjoyed this very random upload. Like, subscribe, and check out the video previously. That was a nice video, you know. But yeah, anyways, thank you.